Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best marine grease is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in maintaining the longevity and performance of your boat's essential moving parts, from trailer wheel bearings to steering systems and engine components, ensuring smooth operation even in the harshest saltwater environments. Number 5. Quicksilver 802859Q1 Marine Grease with Teflon. Introducing Quicksilver's 2-4C Marine Grease with Teflon. This high-quality, versatile lithium-based grease is designed to perform exceptionally well, even in the presence of water. Its advanced formula ensures it won't break down when exposed to water, providing reliable lubrication in marine environments. This excellent general-purpose grease is perfect for a wide range of applications. Use it on steering and throttle cables, tilt mechanisms, remote controls, and prop shafts. It contains extreme pressure additives to effectively withstand friction. This makes it ideal for heavy equipment applications across various temperatures. Enjoy excellent resistance to oxidation and degradation. This ensures long-lasting protection and performance for your marine equipment. It's also perfect for lubricating trailer wheel bearings. Keep your trailer running smoothly with this dependable lubricant. What we like. If you need a grease that won't break down in water, this is a great choice. It's excellent for a wide range of applications, from steering cables to trailer wheel bearings. If you're looking for a versatile, long-lasting lubricant for general marine use, consider this option. What people say. This marine grease is excellent for protecting boat trailer wheel bearings from water intrusion. It provides long-lasting lubrication and resists washout even in harsh marine environments. Number 4. Zipper Wax Marine Grade Zipper Lubricant Stick. Tired of stubborn zippers and snaps? Our marine-grade lubricant stick glides on easily, ensuring smooth opening and closing, even in harsh conditions. Forget messy oils and liquids. This convenient stick applicator makes it simple to apply a clear, wax formula that won't stain your gear. From boat covers and jackets to wetsuits and coolers, this versatile lube works on a wide range of zippers and snaps. Create a protective barrier against saltwater, rain, and sun. It keeps metal closures on your outdoor gear safe from rust and corrosion. As a family-owned American business, we're dedicated to providing premium quality care products. We stand behind the satisfaction of our Protectin' Zipper Stick. What we like. For those who hate messy applications, this stick lubricant is ideal. It's designed to prevent sticking and protect metal zippers and snaps from rust and corrosion. If you're looking for a clean, easy-to-use solution for boat canvas, jackets, or wetsuits, this is the one. What people say. Worked perfectly. Softened the zip action and made getting the windows up and down a breeze. This lube comes in a chapstick container, but about twice as large. A regular chapstick container is 2.75 inch long versus 3.75 for this zipper lube, and 9/16 diameter versus 14/16 for the zipper lube container. Both products are great, but frankly I prefer this one a lot to the other smaller crayon type, for several reasons. The much larger stick obviously gives you a much larger application area, which makes it easier and faster to apply the lubricant to zippers or snaps. This does work on zippers as well as snaps. I have tried it mostly on zippers, but applied to snaps and it works amazingly well on old, weathered snaps. One good application of this zipper lube and they zip like new again. I even used it on our rolling luggage bag which was beginning to have finicky zippers. Again this stuff worked great and the zippers zip like new again. Number 3. Better Boat Marine Grease Tube. Simplify your maintenance routine with this versatile grease. It excels in protecting trailers, wheel bearings, and marine machinery, offering the ultimate high-temp solution for your needs. This blue lithium-based grease is NLGI No. 2 rated GCLB, meeting industry standards. It ensures your equipment is shielded with robust high-temperature capabilities. Perform in a wide temperature range, from freezing to extreme heat, offering year-round protection. It works on your boat trailer, bike, ATV, or other trailers. Enjoy lasting protection even in wet conditions. Its waterproof formula prevents washout and corrosion under harsh marine and axle bearing conditions. We are a family-owned American business committed to premium boating accessories. We stand behind your satisfaction with our marine-grade products. What we like. This grease offers superior quality and protection across a wide temperature range. Its waterproof formula ensures durability even in harsh marine conditions. If you need a high-performance lubricant for trailer wheel bearings and marine machinery that can handle extreme temperatures, this is a solid choice. What people say. Real sticky, 500 degrees high drop point, should work well on my RV. This grease is worth getting, holds up and lasts longer. Number 2. Better Boat Mini Grease Gun Kit. This 3-ounce grease gun is built with heavy-duty aluminum alloy. It generates high pressure, ensuring long-term reliability in marine conditions and protecting against corrosion. Our grease pump features a one-handed pistol grip for precise lubrication. It comes with multiple tips and a flexible hose for reaching difficult areas. This kit includes a 3-ounce cartridge of marine-grade grease for immediate use. It offers a comprehensive solution for all your marine lubrication needs. It is compatible with all standard 3-ounce grease gun cartridges, making refilling effortless. Refill packs are available to ensure continuous maintenance. We are a family-owned American business committed to premium quality. We stand behind the quality of our products. What we like. If ease of use and precise lubrication are your priorities, this grease gun kit is perfect. Its pistol grip design and high-pressure output make it ideal for reaching difficult areas. For those who want a complete, reliable solution for marine and automotive lubrication needs, this kit is a great starting point. What people say. This marine grease is excellent for protecting boat trailer wheel bearings from water intrusion. It provides long-lasting lubrication and resists washout, even in harsh saltwater conditions. The grease has a good tackiness that helps it stay in place, ensuring consistent protection. Number 1. Better Boat Marine Degreaser and Black Streak Remover. Tackle tough grease, sludge, and rust with ease. This powerful formula is ideal for engines and exterior degreasing on a variety of vehicles. Effortlessly eliminate stubborn black streaks and stains from hulls, decks, and more. It works on new and old marks, leaving surfaces pristine. Achieve a clear, glossy, wax-like barrier that prevents future stains. Enjoy a lasting, high-shine finish with minimal effort. This multi-purpose solution is perfect for RVs, wheels, trailer hitches, and chains. It's your go-to for both marine and automotive degreasing needs. Experience marine-grade excellence crafted in the USA. Trust in top-tier quality that minimizes your cleaning time and maximizes your enjoyment. What we like. When you need to tackle tough grease, sludge, and stubborn black streaks, this cleaner is your go-to. It not only cleans but also leaves a protective, high-shine finish. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile cleaner for your boat, car, or RV that minimizes cleaning effort, this is an excellent option. What people say. This marine grease is excellent for protecting boat trailer wheel bearings from water intrusion. It provides long-lasting lubrication and stays put, even in harsh marine environments. The grease has a good consistency, making it easy to apply and ensuring it adheres well to metal surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.